Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a teeth whitening service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your teeth whitening service. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, you pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed, so make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, are adding more markets every single week as well. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, teeth whitening service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Right, let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on that continue button and let multi-sites generate a simple website with the information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very professional looking. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of the amazing transformations and the services, teeth whitening you've completed on your clients and customers. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content to make it a bit more personalized to your business. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can literally do this all yourself. You don't need to hire a professional. So let's get started. I'm going to be showing you the ropes. Let's click on the first section at the top. I'm going to make sure I pop in my email address over here so customers can easily reach out. Let's make sure that box is ticked to make sure it's visible. Phone number, let's pop it in over here. That is click to call, by the way. And your address or physical location, maybe you are a mobile service, but if not, pop in your address here. Great thing about it is your customers can actually click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you've got a business logo, click on the next section, browse your device, and upload it. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, add filters or frames, click on that pencil over your logo. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, to change the colors on your multi-sites website that were pre-selected for you, click on the paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Just browse through the various color palettes. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section, the button directly underneath that section. It's super simple. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those images if you have a profile. Under the button is where you can change your call to action, change the text on your button as where it links to. You can even link to another website or upload a PDF file. Great options to upload your various rates and services or a catalog of your business. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out, keep track of all your leads coming in your Multi dashboard. You'll also get notified via your registered email as leads come in. If you have a custom domain for your business, click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. You also have the option to purchase a domain as well by clicking on that button. If you don't have one, make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.